A summary of past 2 week. From past 2 week, I stopped daily documentation because I thought that the kind of topic I was learning day to day required a good amount of deep focus. So from past 2 week, I able to manage around 5 hours of study per day on an average basis of past 14 days. But suddenly I watch a porn at the 12th day, and for next 2 to 3 days, my focus was very low because after doing fab, I just watch a kind of web series named Hostel Day, where I have watched from season 1 to 4. And after doing this, I re-sit on study. But on and after past 2 days, I continuously wasting my 6 hours on YouTube, like watching video related to Israel-Palestine conflict. Maybe my focus was very low. After doing fab, I get myself out of control, and I again restarted time wasting my time on YouTube. But so that's why I decided to record and continue record my daily documentation until I am doing my DSA learning task. So for maybe the frequency will be low. Maybe after 7 day I will record, or after 3 day. But whenever I feel bad or some kind of doing fab, I will try to record it to at least I have wasted a bit amount of time. But from next 7 day I will try to rejump. So these are the bad points which have happened in past 2 week. But some of the good point which happened in past 2 week is related to, first good point is related to I have reached 200 questions on lead code. And I in past 2 week I have covered the concepts like tries, tree, and heaps. Means in tries I was getting a bit hard to write a recursive code every time. So I have taken help of video. Means sometime I able to write the recursive code, sometime I was not. But for but I believe the next time we will when I will revise it again, maybe 80 to 70% of questions I will try to solve it on the first time. After that I move towards the heap concept. Heap concept is a bit good concept. It mostly use a greedy concept, but it has a good amount of confusing for me, as I was doing it first time. That first one is related to maximum heap, minimum heap. After that, there was a concept of custom operator. I able to understand the custom operator, but I was getting a confusion that how to write the custom operator in case of min heap, maximum heap. Maybe a kind of notes required, that what sign use, greater or lesser. After that, the third confusion is sometime we have to create my own kind of data structure. Then the thinking of this was not, I was not getting it of myself. So in terms of try, I only solved 4 questions. It will take good amount of time to solve the question, because it required to create whole class structure. In another time when I will do revision of DSA from 0 to 1, I will spend good amount in tries. So currently in try I have covered theory part, and for one question I have spent whole 1 day. The name of that question is maximum XOR of given numbers. So it was a good concept, that the visualization of 32 binary tree, 32 tree, each tree have 32 nodes, is very confusing. So we have to start with supposing from fourth node. The intuition of this question was a bit tricky, and after that how to, and my concept related to range, that how bit range 0 to 31, but we write 1 to 32. The basic funda of this got exposed when I was trying to solve. I was getting wrong in these basics, that how right shift of 0 is nothing, and how right shift of 1 is 1, and to get 1 bit of a number we have to do -1 on, not to do -1 on it. So this is a whole learning summary of my DSA journey. From upcoming time I will try to minimize the sleep time of my mind, because from my past learning I have realized that the sleep time, even if currently my sleep time per day is near around 8 hours, if I do even lose it to 1 hour, means 1 hour more I will able to gram for my per day, apart of avoiding wasting my time on YouTube or some other bad activities.